up, MotoBros and girls? Welcome back to another video. Today we're taking my oldest daughter on her first ride on the 2022 Yamaha MT-09. She hasn't been on it yet. She's been excited, so she's finally going to get that chance today. So we're just going to go cruise, have some fun, go get some dinner, have a good time, and we'll see what she thinks. Alright guys, so we're heading to a place called Corky's. It's like a nice little kind of family restaurant. They got some pretty bomb food. So we're gonna go ahead there, have some dinner, hang out, see what she thinks about the new bike. Been wanting to get her on here for a while, but just kind of testing everything out, you know, making sure everything's good and safe before I put her on the bike. But yeah, you guys have been killing it. Welcome to all the new subscribers, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We got a lot of good stuff in the works. And also, you know, if there's anything you guys want to see, don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section down below. And just a little sneak peek, we got something pretty epic coming for the MT-09, so get ready for that. It's going to be a game changer. I can't wait. It's been in the works for quite a while now, so I'll be excited when I can finally get it done. So stay tuned for that. That should be out pretty soon, next week or two. So get excited. I know I am. Jerks. Oh, I love this bike. Man, I haven't even really got to push this bike to its potentials yet. I'm going to. You know, that's something else to come. And you guys really seem to like the wheelie video we posted. I plan on doing a lot more of those. You know, I was kind of thinking, you know, maybe we'll be like a journey thing. I'll take you guys along for the process, you know, as I get better, and you know, try different settings and stuff like that, because I know there's a lot of people out there too that probably have this bike that want to know, you know, what each setting does. So I got a lot of stuff like that in the works too, coming up, you know, pretty soon. You know, I'd like to take you guys through that journey about, you know, getting better with doing wheelies, and, you know, just seeing what the bike can do with different settings and stuff. So he likes the bike. But yeah, like I said, man, stay tuned. We got a lot of good stuff coming up, so I hope you guys are just as excited as we are. And like I said, you guys really seem to like the daddy-daughter ride, so you know, we can definitely do more of those too. I just obviously don't like bringing her when, you know, we're gonna be doing, you know, high-speed stuff or, you know, crazy stuff or whatever, because I'm not gonna do that kind of stuff with her on the back. But yeah, if you guys want to see more of those, just, you know, let me know. You guys have been killing it with the other videos, so I'm assuming you do want to see more of that. So we'll go ahead and get more of that out for you guys. This bike gets so much attention, man. I think it's just kind of the look, and obviously like the color scheme and stuff. Oh, did you guys check out my new gloves? They match the rims. Pretty sick. Whee! I'm so excited to eat. Haven't eaten anything all day. Don't know what I'm gonna get. We usually get like breakfast here. They have a lot of good breakfast stuff. I don't really get any other stuff, so we shall see what's on the menu. Corkies. We thought about In-N-Out too, but we've had that a lot. So we're gonna hit up this Corkies. Any good parking spots for me? Guess this will do. So what'd you think?
It was nice.
You like this one better or the R6? This one? It's more smooth. Is it more comfortable, like the seating position? Yeah, I thought it would be. You're not so lean forward. What about the power? I know I didn't do too much, but what'd you think of the power?
It's not like the R6
It's more linear, huh? Yeah, it just carries through. It's a lot smoother. Alright guys, well, that's a 12-year-old's perspective on the new MT-09. She seems to like it too. So yeah, we're gonna grab some food and we'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, we both got some steak. We're about to dig into this bomb looking food.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. He's just said some of it.
Alright guys, we are all done eating and I am stuffed. I feel like I'm gonna vomit. Oh, it's too much food. It was really good though. Their steak was pretty bomb. Did you like your food? Yeah. Pretty good. We are stuffed to the gills, so we're gonna go cruise it off a bit. And yeah, see what happens. I hear street bike. I saw it. Alright, now I gotta see if I can transport this food too. We shall see. Yeah. I saw it. I saw it. Oh, I'm stuffed. You guys ever eat so much that it's hard to move? Oh, and then I got a ride on top of all that. Come on, Grandma.
I'm going.
Put on all my gear, set up both cameras, started recording, and the time it took you to put a helmet on. I thought it would sit better, but it's not. Guess that's one advantage of having a quick shifter. Don't have to touch the clutch. Woo, it's chilly now, man. It was warm when we came down to get food and now it's chilly. My nipples are so hard they could cut glass. You guys see what I'm working with here? Leftovers. They're not mine, by the way. My fat ass ate all of mine pretty much. I was hungry because I didn't eat all day. I was gearing up for dinner time with the kiddo. Oh man, it is cold. And I don't mean cold like all you guys with snow and rain. I just mean like Cali cold, okay? Before you guys start yelling at me in the comments. You don't know what cold is, Cali boy. Actually, I do. I lived in Oklahoma for a while, alright? Alright, this is gonna... Okay, well... Alright, yep, we can downshift too. Because we baller like that. I just don't like doing it in first gear. Ooh, yeah, neutral. We got that neutral, boy. So far, our food is still intact. So far. Dang it. Oh shit. I almost lost it. I almost lost it, ladies and gentlemen. But I saved it. Oof. She doesn't like those low RPM quick shifts. Oh, for good reason. I'm not supposed to be in low RPM. Oh, my legs are cramping. Oh, this is not going as planned. Oh, I got a cramp in my lamb chop. It hurts so good. Oh, it hurts so good. Oh, it's like right in the hip too. Oh, I can't think straight. Oh, the pain. The pain. Alright. Well, so much for a nice cruise on the way back. Got a hip cramp and trying to hold on to this food and ride with a passenger. Oh, and run a yellow light. Chetos. Alrighty, you beautiful people. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My daughter really seems to like this bike, so I'm glad. It was, you know, it was part of, you know, my reason for going with this bike too, is because it's more upright, so it's easier on the wife and the kid, you know, a little more comfortable for them, and, you know, for me too, to be honest. It's nice not being hunched over, you know. I'm not a young boy no more. So, you know, being a little more upright is a lot nicer. But yeah, anyways, we'll definitely get her on the bike a lot more now that everything's good. And let me know what you guys think about the video in the comment section down below. And until next time, peace. You peasants and your pedaling bikes.